In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Loop. Microsoft Loop is a cutting-edge collaborative workspace app designed specifically for Microsoft 365 users. It's an excellent tool when it comes to enhancing teamwork, offering dynamic features that make collaboration more seamless. With Microsoft Loop, teams can create and share Loop pages, which serve as flexible canvases for bringing together diverse elements such as text, links, tasks, and data. It's also worth mentioning that Loop integrates smoothly with other Microsoft apps, bolstering its effectiveness in a professional environment. To get started, you'll first want to open up your preferred browser and type into the search bar Microsoft Loop. This should bring up the official page for Microsoft Loop. Here, you'll likely find several resources to help you and your team get the most out of this versatile app. Once you've landed on the official Microsoft Loop site, you'll need to sign in. This means entering your Microsoft 365 login details, which usually includes your email address. If you're not yet signed into your Microsoft account, or if you're using a shared or public computer, you will be prompted to do so. After signing in, sometimes you may be asked to provide your password again for security reasons, or even receive a one-time passcode via email just to verify your identity. These security measures are standard and ensure your data remains protected. After you enter the necessary information or passcode, you'll finally be directed to the Microsoft Loop dashboard. Now that you're in, you'll want to navigate to the Workspaces section. Click on Workspaces to see a list of all the workspaces that have been connected to and created under your account. This feature is particularly useful if you're managing multiple projects or collaborating with different teams. It provides an overview of everything you're currently involved in. Choose the specific workspace you need to work in. You'll notice at the top left corner the loop icon right beside the name of the page that's open. This icon is your gateway to creating and managing Loop pages and can usually help you access any tools and features you want to utilize. Finally, if you prefer using Microsoft Loop directly from your desktop without having to navigate via a web browser every time, there's a handy option for that too. You can install Microsoft Loop directly from the Microsoft Store on your device. Just open the Microsoft Store, search for Microsoft Loop, and download it to get a more integrated experience. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to install Microsoft Loop. Whether you decide to use it through the browser or install it for easier access, this tool is sure to enhance collaboration and productivity in your team. Happy collaborating, and I hope you find Microsoft Loop as beneficial as I do.